Okay, so this is question number 2. Question number 2 asks us to integrate the function. The function that we have is the integral of dx over x square root 16x squared minus 36. So the first step we're going to do is integral substitution. Integral substitution's formula is the integral of f of g of x times g prime of x dx equals the integral of f of u du, where u equals g of x. So in order to do that, we have to do the square root of b of x squared minus a, where x equals square root of a over square root of b secant u. Okay, where a equals 36, b equals 16, and which gives us the square root of 36 over the square root of 16, which equals 6 over 4, simplified version, 3 secant u over 2. Once then, we have to take the derivative, but in the process of taking the derivative, we have to take out the constant. The constant is 3 over 2, so we put it in front of the d over du. So we would get 3 over 2 d over du secant u. The derivative of that is 3 over 2 secant u tan u du, which then is equal to dx. So dx is 3 over 2 secant u tan u du, which brings us down to back to where we started, where you're plugging everything in. So you're plugging in x and you're plugging in d of x. Okay, so this gives us the integral of 1 over 3 secant u over 2 times the square root of 16 times 3 secant u over 2 squared minus 36 times 3 over 2 secant u tan u du. So now we come down to the bottom, where after we multiply 3 over 2 secant u tan u du, we get 1 over 3 secant u over 2 times the square root of 16 times 3 secant u over 2 squared minus 36, which equals 1 over 9 tan u secant u. So then we get down to our final process where we have to multiply. Where we're multiplying is the 1 over 9 tan secant u times 3 secant u over 2. So if you do that, you're basically canceling everything out with whatever's on the top and whatever's on the bottom, and which just leaves you with 1 times 3 over 9 times 2, which gives you 3 over 18, which simplified version gives you the integral of 1 over 6 du. So once again, you take out the constant outside the integral. The integral of a constant formula is the integral of a dx equals a of x. So in our case, we would get 1 over 6 times 1 times u. So then once you put the u back in, which u equals arc secant over 4 over 6 x, you would get 1 over 6 times 1 times arc secant 4 over 6x. The simplified version of that is 1 over 6 arc secant 2x over 3 plus c, which is the constant, and that's our final answer.